Okay. I mean, suppose if you want to discuss grains inside the material, if you want to see the some kind of defect, if you want to see the kind of if you want to make a sensors, if you want to make any device like a flexible electronics beta, you want to make a TV which should roll. Okay, you want to make a phone to roll, which can easily roll or fold. You can keep it in the packet and go anywhere. You want to make the TV very big screen but make it roll, hold it in hand and go your ship to the other place. So to make such kind of applications, solid state physics makes a very important role. It play a very important role. And also polymers, in especially the polymers play a very important role. Because when you want to make a roll or flexible, I want to make my phone like a, not breaking, but I want to make like, foldable, like rollable, foldable like this. But how can I make? What material are the right material to use them? So how can I? I have to think. I have only one option: polymers. Polymers are the flexible materials. But the question is, how can I use polymers? Because they are poor conductors. They don't have the conductivity. It's zero conductivity insulator, kind of like a behaves like insulators. But how do we conduct? How do we use the polymers for making the flexible electronic devices? Right? Yes, sir. But there are some polymers, conducting polymers are available. Polyaniline, pyrrole, P dot PSS. There are some polymers are used to make the to use them in a flexible electronics. And also carbon nanotubes or the really wonderful candidate, a really wonderful candidate, a really wonderful material to use them. So carbon nanotube are having the high thermal conductivity, high electrical conductivity, high mechanical properties. When you make the composites, so composites are the material which obtained from the two different materials. Like you mix the polymer with carbon nanotube to make a composite. So that composite have a different properties. So you are mixing the polymer with the carbon nanotube. One is a very strong material, carbon nanotube. The other one is flexible material. When I combine, I'll get different properties, and that property, that material could be useful to make the flexible TV, flexible laptop, flexible flexible all devices, phones, everything better. It's easy. If you want to move from one place to other floor, just fold it everything in the keep it in the packet or keep it in the bag. You don't need to carry TV like great manner. You don't need to use the maintenance. Like very simple way we can use that. And that too solid state play very important. It definitely, how do we make, sir? How do we make flexible TV, sir? Which is very weird to hear. Yes, sorry. Definitely, it's a very useful solid material. You have to make a solid material, right? So even it's a polymer chain. You mixed it with, you made a solid material by composite. One is the carbon nanotube, the other one is polymer. So when you mix it, you got a composite solid material. So it can easily bendable, flexible, etc. So, but how do we, since it has a more electrical conductivity, definitely we use them to design the circuit, to design the, backside circuit, digital electronics, and display technology, LED TVs are there. So display technology, how the atoms are aligned, I mean, to get the picture quality, what we have to do, all the stuff is coming from the solid state only. So defects, what are the defects are available? How do we minimize the defects? What we have to add to minimize? All this is very important. Okay. So I would definitely, suggest you all, for the final year student, you are the future scientist, I would say. You are the, people who can help to build our country, who can help to build our world, and you are the guys to motivate yourself to work like anything in the research. Research is the one of the field you work like a lifelong. There is no retirement for the research. Okay, it's a kind of field you enjoy like anything. It is a field like you can do anything. You can sacrifice your life. It's a really wonderful field. And when you publish something from your contribution, the contribution should be live for a million years later. Your grandson also can able to see your research work. If you don't do or nothing, if you don't do and die, what you do? Nothing. When you discover something, and even if you pass away, then after 100 years also someone can view your work, and your grandchildren also can able to see, oh, my dad, my grandfather did this, my grandfather discovered this is the work my my grandfather contributed for the research. So that even if you get him 50 lakhs per month, you don't get that satisfaction. But the research is the one which can give the most satisfaction. Whatever your contribution now, that will be there in next 10,000 years. 10,000 years, remember guys, not even 10,000, till the till the health we survive, like our generation can survive. So it is there. Any country people can access your work. You discover something like cell, you discover it, which is more efficient than the other people. See that why we are remembering Einstein now. He died long back ago. Why we are remembering all the Darwin, Einstein, Newton? Why we are remembering them? Still we can see their work in online. You just type it Newton, you get millions of data. Why? Yes, that is a great in our science. In other field, you don't get it. In computer science, you can go, you don't get it, that satisfaction. You may get salary, good salary, you may get good packages, but the package does not make you satisfaction, does not give the satisfaction. But this is the one, the way you work till you are 90 years, till you death, till your life ends. The science help you to work. It make you so busy 24 hours by 7. Your brain always active. You don't get any diseases. It is a really great field to work. I don't know why India people are not very lazy to they're not motivated towards the research. They're going to software. Why? They're getting money. They're looking only money. Money is secondary. The life satisfaction is the first thing that you have to do. So when you get a satisfaction that you work, that's enough. Life is short period. So you should you should be like anything. So my suggestion, all of you, don't think you have a millions of opportunities are there after degree. Sir, what we have to do, sir, after degree? You don't know. But there are plenty of opportunities are there. After degree, immediately you go for the master degree. IITs, you go for the IITs, central universities. After master, you explore yourself for research. Go for abroad. Go for any country to explore your talent. So don't limit it. I want to write constable exams, sir. I want to write clerical exams, sir. Don't. You should have a enough. You guys need to think like anything. Brilliant way of thinking. So I would suggest you all explore. Ask your brain what you want. How do we get your satisfaction? Your brain should get satisfaction. What is your passion, dedication? You work. First, you set the goal. Yes, sir, my goal is scientist. Yes, sir, my goal is this. Yes, sir, my goal is this. You should set that goal first and do hard work and plan for it and work like anything. More responsibility. Don't go for the cheatings. Don't do that. If someone asks you to show, can you copy this? Don't worry. I cannot. I don't want to. I want to be, even if I get 0 marks, okay. But I don't want to. I don't want to. copy. I don't want to cheating. Okay, so please, be productive, be challenging, and think about your life and make your parents happy. And don't think short way methods. You always the goal, long method it takes, but do hard work. So, coming to the today topic, it's a very wonderful topic to begin. As I mentioned, it's a really great, So you all know that. So I was expecting more today, but I can see only 20 members. Can anyone take the screenshot? I have to send the, okay, let me stop and share the attendance link. Okay. I'm posting now attendance link. So please fill the details. Can anyone, are you able to see the, link in the chat box? Please give your response. One of you. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So please finish it that. Then moving into our class. Anyway. Yeah. How many of you are here today? Like when I talk, can you give your response? Like I talked to many people yesterday. How many of you joined today, the first class? Can I please, tell your name? I have all your names, but I don't want to read all of you. Please.
Malish.
What's your name?
Shailaja, sir.
Shailaja, I think I call you, right? Okay. Swapna
Yes,
also.
sir.
Swapna is available?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Please tell your names, others.
Malish.
Malesh, did I call you Malesh?
Yes,
Vamshi,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Vamshi, did I call you? Did I talk to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about others, please?
Pawan Kalyan.
Pawan Kalyan. Then?
Ramdas.
Ramdas also I call, yes. Others?
Ranjappa.
Anjappa, sir.
Sorry?
Ranjappa. Ranjappa.
Anjappa, sir.
I didn't. చెప్పు నాన్న మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి.
Anjappa, sir.
Rangappa, yes. Yes. Anjappa, right? Anjaneyulu also, I call 3 members, Anjaneyulu, Anjappa.
CH Prashant.
Okay.
Prashant.
CH Prashant. Then?
Rajesh, sir.
Okay. Rajesh. Oh, that's it. I call many people, like 30 members.
D. Malish.
D. Malesh, yes. నానా ఒకటి నాన్న మీకు లైఫ్ లో గోల్ సెట్ చేసుకోండి. టైం పాస్ కింద క్లాస్ No, I don't want your sounds. Let me mute my side. So students, without goal setting, don't study well. Don't even attend my classes. You have to define the goal setting first. What is goal setting, sir? Goal means you know that what you want to be. The goal setting should be very high. I suggest you all do the masters first. Don't think about jobs now. You all need to go for master degree. It could be any subject. I'm not forcing you to take only physics. I mean, if you take physics, I'll definitely help, but that's a different story. But I always suggest my student to do at least master degree so that you get some confidence. Then you decide what you have to do later. Then you have to decide whether you want to continue your PhD in India or abroad. Then you can apply the, to go America, you don't need to pay anything. To go Europe, you don't need to pay anything. After master degree, you don't think that you need a lot of money to go abroad. No. If you have a talent, if you get a good scores of GRE TOEFL scores, or even if you don't need any GRE TOEFL score for Europe countries, you can directly go. You can apply after master degree. You can apply directly to the universities, and they will accept you. They will talk to you in the Skype or the WhatsApp, whatever the communication available. Then they will select you. You don't need to pay anything. Completely, it's a free. And you will be going there and getting salary for month. Even during the PhD also, you get to 3 lakhs amount for 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs per month. So which is very good. You will be the scientist. So I would definitely suggest you first you go for the master degree. So don't think about the marriages. Girls students, please, you have to do master first. And then you do master and PhD even after the marriage also. So that's my suggestion, okay, for girl students. For boys, just don't go for the jobs now. You guys are doing part-time job, I know that, but the part-time job should help only for your studies, not linked to the others. Suppose you just go for do the tuitions, online tuitions. You just do the online tuitions, get some earn money, that will help for you. You just do the home tuitions, teach some students, that also help for you. So you guys are MPC, MPS students, you teach the computer science, you teach the physics, you teach the maths, chemistry, for the 10th class intermediate students. You build your subject, you get more confident. You get small amount is enough. To teach even LKG students, they're giving like a 500,000 rupees per hour. Why can't you work like this? Why are you going for 5,000 for like industries, labor industries, oil industries, or delivery boys? Don't go for that. You have a talent. You just work in the field of the subject that you're doing. Take classes. So you are like building your career. That helps a lot. Okay. So I would always suggest you guys, you have to help the country to build further, not to damage the country. With the help of you, you should give at least your contribution to the world. Science. You took the science course now, BSc, Bachelor of Science, and you give your contribution. Don't, you guys are like studying BSc for nothing. You join, that's it, you're doing part-time job. That doesn't help, man. You are giving the weight, you're just putting your load on the head. Who will bear you, man? Who will bear you without your contribution? If you have some contribution, the country will develop. If you don't contribute to the country development, why you want to be here? Do your contribution. You got a chance. You got a birth. You have to show your talent. If you don't provide your contribution to the country, waste. So life is waste. There should be meaning of life. Right? Please, students, you have to do hard work. So make your institution so proud. Make your university, Usmania University, so proud that you get a chance to study under the Usmania University. Okay? Thank you, guys. So let me move to the, So the introduction today is unit. Today we are starting actually unit 3. 2 chapters are over. 50% syllabus is over. Remaining 50% syllabus I'm going to complete within 1 month. Okay. So we have a January 19th. I think we have exams for this semester. So we have almost like a 1 month time is there. I'm going to complete remaining these 2 chapters within 1 month. The syllabus is over. It's up to you whether you want to prepare well or not. I gave all the details. So for this chapter, we are going, second part of the chapter I'm going to complete first, then moving into the periodic potential Kronig-Penney model later. So before that, the classification of material based on the electricity. So what is the classification of material? So you all know that there are materials are classified into three types. Okay. So three types. Okay. The first one is conductors. Second one is semiconductors. Third one is the insulators. So there is another one in dielectric material we already discussed. So here the conductors. What are the conductors? So let us go for the conductors first, then moving into the semiconductors, insulator, etc. So what are the conductors? So conductors are the material which allow the electricity to flow them. So there should be electrons, right? Free electrons to flow. So the materials, the conductors are the materials which actually, the conductors are the material which, have the plenty of free electrons. What are there? Free electrons are there. Whenever you have the free electrons, there is a electricity. Okay. So definition is conductors are the material which allow the electricity to flow through them. So what are the example? You all know that all metals, copper, nickel, cobalt, aluminium, all the sodium, magnesium, all these metals, definitely they have a many free electrons. There are many free electrons. When you have the free electrons, you have the current. You have the electricity, electric field. Okay. So you have to understand now conductors are the material which allow the electrons to flow, electricity flow through the material. Examples are the, what are the examples? All metals. Then moving into the, okay, wow, what are these guys? Example, you can see here, difference between the conductors and insulators. Okay. And you can see here, all the metals, gold is a metal, silver articles, metal, copper, metals, all these type of metals we call a conductors, all metals. All metals are the conductor. Why? They have a free electrons. Free. You should write down the bullet points. When I teach you, when I'm talking, write down some notes better. It will help a lot for your exams as well as the competitive exams which you are going to attempt after BSc degree. So conductors, wow, very good, sir. Then insulators. What are the insulators? All the plastic, you know that plastic bottle, plastic covers, all the wood, etc. are the, example for this plastic sheet. All these are the insulator. They do not have the free electrons, right? Is it clear? So insulators, they don't have the, what they don't have? What they don't have, tell me.
Electricity.
Electrons, Nana. They don't have free electrons, right? Bounded. So suppose this is the valency band, conduction band. This is the energy gap. So the electrons, whatever electrons here, they fixed. They cannot move from here to here, conduction band. They don't have energy to move from the valency band to the conduction band. The barrier is greater than the 3 electron volts. The energy band gap is more than 3 electron volts. So electrons which are available in the valency band, they don't go to the conduction band. In case of polythene covers, polyesters, whatever the insulator, they don't. So even if you apply the temperature, even if you apply the electricity, they don't conduct. The material which do not conduct are called, insulators. Is it clear? The material which do not conduct are called insulators. So what is the example? What is the definition of the insulator? The material which do not conduct, which do not have the free electrons. Okay. So let me close this. Now what is going on here? Tell me. Can anyone see here? Are you guys, are you able to see, guys? What is going on here?
Yes, sir.
What is this? Tell me. This is a kind of plasma, beta. Right? This is a plasma or lightning effect. It is a kind of like showing the lightning effect. You know that lightning effect, right? Meripulu vastune idea unda? Meripu
Yes,
ante
sir.
telusa beta?
Yes, sir.
Rain వస్తప్పుడు వస్తుందా? దాని లైటనింగ్ ఎఫెక్ట్ అంటారు. లైటనింగ్ ఎఫెక్ట్ వల్ల ఎందుకు వస్తుంది లైటనింగ్ ఎఫెక్ట్? ఆ క్లౌడ్స్ లో ఉన్న చార్జెస్ ఉంటాయి, స్టాటిక్ చార్జెస్. ఆ క్లౌడ్స్ లో ఉన్న చార్జెస్ ఈ క్లౌడ్స్ కొలైడ్ అయినప్పుడు అందులో ఉన్న చార్జ్ ఏమవుతుందంటే ఎక్సెస్ అయిపోయి ఆ ఫ్రిక్షన్ వల్ల రాపిడ్ జరిగి ఫ్రిక్షన్ జరిగి ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ అన్నీ కూడా అక్కడ ఎక్కువ అవడం వల్ల గ్రౌండ్కి వస్తాయి, అంటే భూమిపైకి రావడానికి ప్రయత్నిస్తాయి. కాబట్టి ఆ లైన్ లాగా కనిపిస్తుంది లైటనింగ్. అది బిల్డింగ్ మీద పడ్డా చెట్ల మీద పడ్డా కంప్లీట్గా డ్యామేజ్ అయిపోతుంది. ఎందుకంటే హ్యూజ్ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ ఫ్లోయింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద క్లౌడ్స్ టు ది గ్రౌండ్. సో హియర్ ఫ్లో ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్, యూ కెన్ థింక్ దిస్ ఇస్ యాక్చువల్లీ వాట్? It's a flow of electrons, right? The lightning effect is nothing but what? Flow of electrons. Adi electron la flow ne. Okay na? Is it okay?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Sir.
So this is example of electricity, conductors. It's a flow of electrons. So conductors, electricity, examples. There is one more thing here you can see here. Conductors. So see what are the moving? Tell me here. What are the moving? What are the particles are moving here? Electrons or protons? What particles are moving, beta?
Electrons.
Electrons. Negative charge ions are called electrons. Positive charge are called protons. Protons are the heavily particles, like they have a higher mass than the electrons. So electrons are the moving from one place to other place. So they are the free charge carriers. They move randomly in all direction. When you apply the field in one direction, they move in that direction. So conductors are the material where you have the free electrons. They move like anything. So which carries the electricity. What is this? What is going on here? Bulb is blowing, right? Can you able to make this to your home? This is your project, final year students. Can you make this project?
Okay, sir.
What do you need? Tell me. You just need a batteries. You don't need this battery. You don't need to buy the battery of this 6 volts. You can use the batteries that you can find in the shop. షాప్ లో మీకు బ్యాటరీస్ దొరుకుతాయి కదా, మనకు వాల్ క్లాక్ ఇట్లా వాడతాం కదా. సో అవి టుగెదర్ పెట్టండి. ఎక్కువ ఒకటి సరిపోదు, 2 or 3 అలా పెడుతూ అవి సిరీస్ లో కలపండి. కలిపితే యు గెట్ మోర్ చార్జ్, మోర్ బ్యాటరీ. సో యూ కెన్ టేక్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ యూట్యూబ్ టు మేక్ దిస్ డివైస్, బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు థింక్ ఇట్. So what is going on here? You can use here very simple So time is again, you guys can join better. Those time is we have only 1 minute. You can join back again. So here you can, this is the batteries that you can use it. Like simple batteries, you find it batteries, right? You can connect them series 3 or 4. You get the battery, and you can connect any metal sheet here, any metal like blade, small blade, or metal piece of the iron piece, anything, you just cut it, and clips, these are you can find the clips also. Clips you can hold it, and you can find in the shop actually these clips, this connector you can find, connecting wires. If you ask any electrical shop, connecting wires, you get it. You just connect here and here to the, there is a take small bulb you can take and do this experiment at your home. I want to see next couple, after few weeks, maybe after 1 week, I want to see one of you